I realise the pain I've caused. I've just got rid of 2 pairs of Dubarry boots that were made from cows, as I just can't bear to wear them anymore. I wouldn't kill dogs or humans to wear on my feet. So now I'm standing up for the cows who need our help. We should not be prejudiced against someone just because of the skin or feathers that they were born in. So that means cows also have a right to the same life the West give dogs. We don't want our life shortening to be made into boots, and neither do cows. I wrote to Dubarry saying I wanted vegan boots only, and they wrote back, "We are disappointed to hear that due to the fact our brand is based around leather goods, you do not wish to purchase with us in the future. However, we appreciate your feedback and understand our brand does not suit your needs." I was astounded to get that email reply where they only thought about themselves and how they can profit further from cows. There was no mention that they would stop paying people to hurt cows and go vegan leather instead. So I'm not going to be a customer of Dubarry's anymore. Impress me, Dubarry, by going vegan. Leave cows and the animals alone. Vegan leather is my only choice now.